So big.
I'm kind of claustrophobic.
When you spin it, when it does the sound, that means you're just bringing it back. When you're taking it off, you actually go the opposite way.
That I know.
Good.
This won't fall on me, right?
No. So right there, that one, see, on the bottom?
This one?
No, over there. Where the exhaust is.
Oh, this?
Yep.
I'm tightening it.
No, just like that. You're loosening it. Yeah.
It won't fall off, right?
No. Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but we finally have some time to make a video, and I do have Mariana joining me today.
Hi guys.
Yeah, we found out that we have an exhaust leak, so I'm gonna have Mariana doing all the work and me kind of just stepping back and letting her do all the wrenching.
Heavy lifting.
Yeah, if that's what you want to call it.
Yeah.
You excited, babe?
I am excited. I mean, I don't know anything about cars, so this is definitely going to be an experience for me.
Yeah.
And, but I have a good teacher, so I'm not worried.
Hopefully. We'll see what happens.
We just have to go change and get to it.
Yep, get dirty. Alright guys, she's grinding the weld down so we could get the exhaust off, or the muffler off.
This is a workout.
Yeah, it's not fun when you don't have a shop and you don't have a lift or all the tools necessary for this.
Here, I'll show them. Okay guys, so we're trying to take, so this is the muffler right here, and this is exhaust. So I'm trying to grind down the welding right here, if you guys can see that. And whoever did this last time, they did a horrible job, so yeah, it's taking a while, but I'm learning.
We took off half the exhaust because they tack welded the mufflers, and we're trying to grind down the weld.
Yeah.
I know everyone's gonna say, hey, you could have a grinder and it'd be so easy, but we don't.
We like
and
it the hard way.
yeah, so we're doing things the hard way. But yeah, we got this off, and I'm actually tempted to starting the car. Okay, babe, don't be scared.
Okay, wait. You just love it.
Did you hear the way it sounds?
Yeah, but you should have taken that little clamp.
Little rattles.
Yeah.
Babe,
I
you
got
did it.
them off. Holy crap.
Good job. We got them off finally. Had to use a little bit of heating method, and Mariana's all excited. Real excited. Oh, he's a little angry today. So,
Because he's leashed up.
yeah, poor guy. Alright, guys.